yeah, not good.
That's bad. That's bad.
Oh man, every time I watch that, just 4 long years of work and we blew up our engine. So you guys have probably been wondering where we've been this whole time. Well, we've been adulting, taxes, insurance, mortgage, utilities, home repairs, adult life. It's wonderful. Um, but we finally got the engine disassembled and we found not one shattered piston, but 3 shattered pistons. And on top of that, we found a cylinder that had never sparked, not one spark in its entire life. So basically, 4 out of the 8 cylinders were basically non functional while we were racing. And we still were in the 50th percentile as far as our times were going. So that's pretty good for having a 50% of an engine. So anyway, I'll show you guys these pictures here a little closer. So you can see here, this ringland is cracked, but it's still there. And this one, it's just destroyed. I mean, just destroyed. And this piston is actually cracked here. And it's destroyed here, it's cracked here, destroyed here, cracked back here. This piston's in bad shape. And then you can see here the pistons were burning everything. Every fluid you could put in the cylinder, they were burning and destroying everything. And this one is really bad. This is the one, pretty sure that's this one here with both ringlands destroyed. It's bad, it's bad. And then this is the one, as you can see, looking brand new, never sparked a single spark in its entire life. And so what happened is all the gasoline washed down the cylinder walls, which is why they're so ridiculously shiny, and destroyed everything. So we're tearing the engine all the way down to the bare block and starting over. Forged rods, forged pistons, high performance rings, bearings, seals. We're going to completely change the water pump, radiator, the hood's being redesigned again. So we have a lot of work ahead of us, but it's going to take some time because I have to adult. I have a mortgage to pay. I have to deal with the 15% inflation rate as the middle class is being wiped out. So it'll take some time, but I'll keep you guys updated. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.